Good evening everybody. Today I'm taking a class regarding constructor. My name is Ran. I'm a computer faculty of Micropark Computer Center. Actually, computer is a very important concept in object-oriented language. Okay, which come in all the languages, like especially Java, Python, C++, C#, these things. Okay, and actually what is constructor? Constructors are used to initialize the value for a given object, and constructor cannot return any value, but you can pass the parameter. What are the parameter passed to the constructor? For parameter constructor, I can say constructor overloading. Okay, constructor will have the same name as that of the class name. Constructor cannot override, because actually what is overriding? What are the methods which are called in the base class constructor cannot be reflected in the other derived classes. Okay, that is called overriding. And next what we have, constructor will have the same name as that of the class name. And constructors are of different type. What are they? We have default constructor, means we are not passing any parameter. Parameter means we are passing parameter constructor. And copy constructor. Copy constructors are used for creating the deep copy of the object. Deep copy of the object with the same class name. Now I show you the definition. See the definition. This is the definition. Okay, copy constructor is for creating the deep copy of the objects. Okay, and the number of times you create the object, that number of times the object will be invoked internally. Constructors made use for initializing the object for given value. Now I'll show you example for the constructor. Now first example is what? This is constructor. Okay. Now actually constructor has the same name as the class name. Constructors are used for initializing the value of integer. Okay, and this object will call for the constructor and print the value. Now if you run this program, see, now in this program what is doing? It prints the integer value. Same thing if you want to print the character value. Okay, let's say char. Then here what is saying? Give some character. Okay, and you say equals some value. Okay, again here what is say? Here you say character is. You say character is. Then you say okay m. Okay, same thing. Now once again if I run this one, run as Java application, click on okay. Whether you can call for any value, whether integer, character or string. Suppose if you want string, we have class called string. Okay, you say string here, string. Okay, and again you give variable equals some name you give, some name you give. Okay, again now what I given here? Here you say string is. The string is again what you say here. Here you give as m. Okay. Now once you run this program, you run as Java application, click on okay. This is for print the string. Now coming to this constructor overloading. Okay, constructor overloading means same constructor they are passing the parameter. What are the parameter are passing to the existing variable? And what are the parameter are passing? Here you are passing the value to the object by utilizing new keyword. Okay, the constructor will call for the object. What are the object you are how many times what are the object you are calling? This object will call for the constructor. Okay, call for 3 times. Okay, one is for object 1, object 2 and object 3. And this function is for printing using the object. Okay, for displaying the result 3 times. Okay, this is for the default constructor or parameter constructor. Since for parameter constructor, parameter they are passing parameter. Default means they are not. This is default. See, this is default means I am not passing the parameter. This is parameter constructor. Now once you run this program, see here. Now showing the different set of details by different objects. Okay. Then what you have? Copy constructor. In this copy constructor, here I am doing. Okay, in this copy constructor, copy constructors are used for creating deep copy of the object with the same class name. The value will be same, but the object will be different. Now see, same. This is for assigning this id to id, end to end. And since you are using object, I am assigning through object. I am assigning the value of id, then name. Okay. Then what I am telling here, this is printing. This function printing the value. Here what I am doing, I am passing the object of the first class to the second class, because here I declared I am passing the class and object to this constructor. Okay, and once if this is for creating the deep copy of the object. Okay, now once if I run this program, see here, same values are printed, but objects are different. So this is for creating the deep copy of this using copy constructor. Okay, so if I run this program, I think you have seen the program. This is for creating deep copy. Okay, thank you.